Hey guys, what's going on? It's YoAnty. I got a special sneaker suitcase unboxing coming over from ADIDAS Running and Champs Sports. Gonna go and crack this open. A really cool special little box. It says Alpha Bounce Instinct, and then it says YoAnty Kicks right here. Really cool to have that customized special, touch from ADIDAS. So I got two little latches here. Crack these open, and then you've got, Alpha Bounce Instinct right there, special little canister right here, and then little, directions of just talking about the shoe, some of the key elements to the brand new Alpha Bounce Instinct. As you guys know, I love the original Alpha Bounce, and even the Alpha Bounce Beyond was a great model. So it's a great affordable running sneaker that's going to last a long time. That's why I really love the Alpha Bounce. Now what's cool inside here are these special little packages to go with this whole scientific chemistry type package. So inside this one, I already cracked these open. I had no what was in them, and I thought there'd be like a t-shirt or something like that. Like, no. I opened this. It's an actual Fitbit Iconic. This special ADIDAS one has the ADIDAS logo on it, so this is super cool. I do own an Apple Watch, but I've never tried a Fitbit, so I think it would be cool to switch something up and really focus more on the running part and cardio part of running, whereas this I just wear because it's fancy and it looks cool. So I'll really use this to its advantage. Then in here was a pair of Soul Republic wireless headphones. It's called the Amps Air. So inside here it's this little canister here, and you have the little headphone you pop in there. So wireless headphones at the gym are so key. I finally made the switch I don't know, less than a year ago, and it's like life-changing. Having no wires, amazing. So it's cool. It comes in this little box like this. And then inside here was, I've never even heard of this, emergency drinking water. Comes in this little special package. So I might just keep this in my car in case there's like a flash flood, or I don't know, I get stuck, something. And then also Jet Blackberry energy fuel. So once again, I'll probably use this before the gym sometime and see how I like it compared to my normal pre-workout. Now, getting into the full-blown canister here. This is one of the coolest sneaker pack. I feel like I said that a lot. Like, oh, this is one of the coolest sneaker packages. But they always, these brands, and always find a way to, one-up themselves. Like, I've never seen a pair of sneakers come in a cylinder canister like this. So super cool. We've got the weird little bubble thing. So go ahead and slide it open, and inside is the Alpha Bounce Instinct. So pull both of these out. Super comfortable. I've already tried them on. I'm going to wear them to the gym now. Wow, the smell, it has like a special smell in there. Hold on. Although, the canister I think smells better than the shoe. Shoe's only like 7.2 for smell rating, but here we go. Continental outsole, thick tread, thick rubber. It has a very interesting cut though. When I first saw that, I didn't know how I felt about it. It's almost got like this S cut, and it's like very thin here, so I'm very curious to see how that's going to feel with like running and moving, because it gets really narrow here, and then you've got these little TPU cages that keep the laces in place right there. So I'm going to be curious to see how that feels. But other than that, substantial amount of padding. The upper is very durable. You do have your 3 stripes logo right there on the padded tongue. Another thing I like too, they've got these little like rubber grooves on each side of the foot. So I think that's going to do a good job of kind of keeping your back foot kind of gripped in running. And you've got ADIDAS logo right there. Pull tab with 3M hit. So overall, seems like a solid shoe. If you're into running, I think, the Alpha Bounce is definitely worth checking out. And even for like a casual shoes, I still wear the Alpha Bounces if I'm like traveling. They're just super comfortable. Thanks to ADIDAS, Champs, Jerry for sending this over. Really appreciate it. Sorry about my scratchy voice. I was just on vacation for a week where I drank for 7 days straight. Happy to bring you guys this video. I've got more videos on the way. I've got plenty of news. I came home to many sneaker packages. You probably saw on Instagram stories. That's the video. I'll be back hopefully in a few days with another video. All right, see you guys. Peace.